Welcome to Vitarka Kadapa channel. Today we will discuss about some of the important questions, like I can say top 25 questions from the topic of welding applications and various kinds of defects in the welding for various competitive exams like RRB Junior Engineer, SSC Junior Engineer, Grama Sachivalayam Engineering Assistants, which will be having of diploma standard. Which of the following is not a resistance welding process? Carbon arc welding. During arc welding, with the increase of thickness of the material to be welded, weld current have increase. Filler metals is essentially used in gas welding. In a welding process, flux is used to permit perfect cohesion of metal and removes oxide of metal formed at high temperature. The gases used in tungsten inert gas welding are argon and helium. The preheating of pots to be welded and slow cooling of the welded structure will lead to reduction in residual stresses and incomplete penetration. The material used for coating the electrode, flux. Two stainless steel foils of 0.1 mm thickness are to be joined. Which of the following process would be best suited? Gas welding process. Fluxes are used in welding in order to protect the molten metal and the surfaces to be joined from oxidation. In arc welding, too low welding speed results in excessive piling up of weld metal, electrode wastage, overhauling without penetration of edge. These are the various kinds of factors which are influencing the too low speed results. In resistance welding, voltage used for heating is 10 volts. Welding process using a pool of molten metal is submerged arc welding. Steel rails are welded by thermit welding. Oxyacetylene flame have more amount of acetylene is called carburizing flame. Which of the following is a solid state joining process? Friction welding. Amount of current required in electric resistance welding is regulated by changing the primary turns of the transformers. T-joint weld is used in where longitudinal shear is present. TIG welding is preferred in following metal welding: aluminum. In electric resistance welding, two copper electrodes used to cool by both air and water. Maximum used flame in gas welding method is neutral flame. In arc welding, penetration is minimum for direct current reverse polarity DC or P. During the metal inert gas welding, the metal is transferred in the form of a fine spray of metal. In forehand gas welding operation, the angle between the rod and workpiece is kept around 30 degrees. Temperature of oxy-hydrogen flame as compared to oxy-acetylene flame is more. When your base metal is burned away at one of the toes of a weld is dash type of welding defect: undercutting welding defect.